Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So let's take a look again on the euro currency. Well, in fact, within the current week, market shows the really straight up action, and although we have counted on some retracement before weekly stop grabber pattern will start to work, we, honestly speaking, haven't got it, at least currently. Maybe we will still get it a bit later, but now we see the really straight up action right to the 618 resistance on the daily time frame. Market has passed through the monthly pivot point, that's also the bullish sign, and daily trend has shifted to the bullish side. That's bullish signs, and in fact, based on this action, based on some other indicators, we see that the bullish sentiment and bullish context is still intact, and we have not bad chances to achieve our target. Minimum target is to stop, clear out of this stop, as it's suggested by the stop grabber. But if we will take a look on the potential target from the Fibonacci, we will see that actually we could get this A, B, C bottom, ABCD pattern, and the minor target 618 extensions. That's at 135.30 area. It's right here. So that also could become the target. Well, next resistance will stand here. This is the monthly pivot resistance. One is 133.91. It's very close to the target. That will be the next resistance area. Also take a look at coincides with the previous swing top. Well, currently, well guys, if you hold positions, long positions already, you have entered with our setup, well, probably you should hold them, because market not that oversold. We do not see any flaws in the overall bullish action. Well, no signs of the potential failure or something of that sort. Market just stands now at resistance, and who knows, maybe from this level we will finally get some reasonable retracement down where we could make our entry, or for those of you who already have the position, you could apply the scale in for existing position for the possible target above these highs. Well, the one problem with it, so if you will take a look at the hourly time frame, the one problem with it is that here, in fact, we do not have any patterns that could show us the precise target of potential bounce to the downside, if it will happen at all, of course. But here at the resistance, that was also 127 extension of that swing from that high to that low. I do not call it as the butterfly. We have just discussed on the farm, since this high is 1 pip higher than this one. So was the question whether could we treat this as a butterfly or can't, or we could not. Well, the rules are strictly, and if you have the 1 pips higher here, this is not already the butterfly. But you could, for instance, stick with the ABCD pattern, inner ABCD pattern here, or do as I did, just measure this retracement and extension of this swing to the downside, as we usually do with the butterflies. And we see that market stands now at 1618 extension of that retracement. This tool could be applied without existence of the butterfly. This is also the separate tool that also is very popular on the market, measuring the extensions of the potential retracements. And also they also create the resistances. So now we see that market stands at 1618, and that is also the 618, but the Fib resistance. So maybe we could get some, as I said, bounce down. But as I said, the major problem here is we do not get now any patterns. So we do not have either head and shoulders, for instance, that could point for retracement down to the, for instance, 132 area. We do not have butterfly. We do not have even the ABCD pattern to the downside. That could say then probably, guys, the retracement will finish here or here. Currently, market just stands at the resistance. And probably, if you would like to take the long position, it's a reasonable decision to wait some bounce to the downside. Well, But how deep this bounce will be, whether it will happen at all, currently it's impossible to say, because as I said, we do not have any clues for that. Well, that's a bit poor analysis currently on the euro currency, because nothing is going on here, just the upward action. I just show you the levels to watch for. The first support is 132.40 area, that is the 3-8 support, and the 618, 131.90 area approximately. Probably, guys, on the hourly time frame you will find here the confluence support, since on the 4-hour time frame we do not have any reaction point here that could be used for drawing the additional fib levels. But on the hourly time frame you will find one, and that will give you the confluence around 132.40 area. So that probably reasonable area to watch for potential long entries around 132.40. And if market will form any pattern here, if market will form, for instance, stop grabber, as it was here, you can see very nice stop grabber, market accelerated further, you could stick with the stop grabber and hope that market will continue move higher based on it. Well, if it will be some kind of the ABC pattern, well, you could find an agreement and use this level for entry. It's probably now market stands right, just has hit this resistance level on the daily time frame, and has not sufficient time to start any bounce down and to form any patterns. So we need to wait a bit. But in general, situation on the euro currency is very promising, and the development stands in our discussion, in our analysis that we have made in the weekend. So let's see what finally we will get by the end of the week here.